When it comes to relationships, many men fall into traps laid by emotions and social expectations. They place women on pedestals, beg for attention, and in the process lose sight of their own value. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle? The key lies in reversing the psychology that dominates most interactions. By understanding human nature, both biologically and psychologically, we can regain control, rebuild our self-esteem, and create balance in our relationships. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." An approach designed to reinforce your self-esteem and ultimately your value. As a man, one avoid placing her on a pedestal. One of the most common mistakes men make in relationships is putting women on pedestals. Elevating their status to that level creates an imbalance in the relationship, making you seem less valuable in their eyes. But this problem goes beyond just interpersonal dynamics. It's deeply rooted in our biology and psychology. When you treat someone as superior, you display submission, and biologically speaking, submission is unattractive. Marcus Aurelius understood this when he said, "Never esteem anything as advantageous that will make you break your word or lose your self-respect." When you idealize someone to the point of losing your self-respect,